Are stubborn odors clinging to your big home? Or maybe your office feels stale. Hence, you need a strong solution. OdorFree Estate 4000, large space odor removal. It is like an invisible cleaning crew. This device fights those lingering smells. Moreover, it reaches every hidden corner. And it sweeps away bad air. So, fresh air returns. It targets and neutralizes. This generator gives a fresh start. It is a powerful new tool. This generator uses ozone technology. Ozone acts like nature's own cleaner. It actively seeks odor molecules. Then, it neutralizes them completely. Furthermore, it treats big areas. It covers up to 4,000 square feet. Think of vast residential homes. Or consider busy commercial spaces. Also, townhouses and offices greatly benefit. OdorFree Estate 4000, large space odor removal. It does not just cover smells, but it truly eliminates them. It destroys them at their source. Using this device is very simple. Just plug it into an outlet. Then, let it quietly work its magic. Consequently, your air feels renewed. Indeed, all stale odors vanish. Your entire space breathes freely. Ultimately, it gives a fresh start. This also means lasting air purity. OdorFree Estate 4000, large space odor removal. It delivers great results. Pros: eliminates residual smells. Ozone is like air bleach, kicks out ozone in high gear, seams. Built for commercial use, looks and feels heavy duty. Operation is simply turning two dials. No issues with electronics. Fixed musty RV smell. Completely removed smoke smell. Works great on smoke. Removes mildew and moldy smells. Quiet operation. Well made. Easy to run. Amazing odor removal. Easy to set up and use. Comes with outstanding instructions. Cons: you definitely have to air out. Leaves its own odor. Burn your eyes, nose, and throat. Small $50 units will do a car. Wish reorder information included. Features: eliminates odors for large homes, treats offices, works in townhouses, handles commercial spaces, targets odor source, easy to use, covers up to 4,000 square feet. Ozone generator, Estate 4000 model. The OdorFree Estate 4000 ozone generator is a machine that gets rid of bad smells in big places. It works in large homes, offices, townhouses, and even business areas. This device is easy to use and can clean the air in spaces up to 4,000 square feet by attacking the very source of the odors. The OdorFree Estate 4000 ozone generator is a heavy-duty machine designed to remove strong odors from large areas up to 4,000 square feet, like homes, offices, and RVs. It works by releasing ozone, which acts like air bleach to eliminate smells from smoke, mildew, mold, and general mustiness. The device is easy to operate with just 2 dials and runs quietly. While effective at removing odors, it's important to air out the treated space afterward, as the ozone itself can irritate eyes, nose, and throat. This unit is built for tough jobs, unlike smaller units meant for cars. But some users wished for reorder information to be included.